Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lurk coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this April 13th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin up nearly 13% in the last 24 hours, $7,828. Ethereum 14.5% at $488. Lots of green all over the market. The biggest standouts today, though, are Bitcoin Private up nearly 100% in the last 24 hours, and Mithril up nearly 140%. Yay! OKex is expanding to Malta. Apparently they received that invitation from Binance. Come and join the beach party, guys. Nice to see, of course, Malta attracting another major exchange. Be, of course, a massive asset for them moving forward. Bitflyer Exchange toughens user verification amid watchdog scrutiny. So the Financial Services Agency of Japan, of course, really cracking down on any fraudulent behavior and making sure that there is maximum compliance with regulations. Over in Vietnam, an alleged $660 million ICO scam has sparked a protest in Vietnam. That is a massive scam of epic proportions, and of course a very unfortunate event for Vietnamese investors. Santander, in coordination with Ripple, launched the first blockchain international payment service for retail customers. So retail customers who use Santander Bank can now use Ripple for international payments. Nice development to see. A research paper declares Bitcoin compliant with Sharia law. Now, I realize a lot of you out there might think, Lark, who cares about religion and Bitcoin? Well, the reality is that a lot of people care about religion, and while you may not care about their religion, they do. And it's nice to see that there are alternative scholarly thoughts out there saying, actually, it is Sharia compliant, and therefore it can be okay for any more devout Muslims to invest in Bitcoin, even though there has been some edicts issued that say the opposite. So I think the conversation on that is far from finished in the Islamic world. Interesting story here out of Jordan as well. Inside the Jordan refugee camp that runs on blockchain. Now, this is a follow-up on a recent story that we've done about the UN World Food Program utilizing the Ethereum blockchain. Now, they're doing identity verification payments, amongst other things. This is a very interesting article, and I would very much encourage you to come over here and check this out for a more in-depth look at how blockchain can really have great real-world applications. Moody's. Blockchain could save the U.S. mortgage industry up to $1 billion. That's massive. Of course, this is what businesses are going to start catching on to very soon. Blockchain can save you money. Big time. $1 billion is, of course, no small amount of change. Cardano issues its audit report. They have had a third party come in and audit Cardano. The results have been listed. Really great to see, of course, that openness for Cardano to come in and say, look at us, we want to be transparent, come audit us. So if you're interested in the details of that, there'll be a link down below, of course, as well. Nebulous. We have the first protocol application layer that has been incubated by Nebulous Labs, and it's called Atlas Protocol. Really cool to see the first project coming out for Nebulous. Apex Network has a new website and an updated white paper. They would also like to remind you that they are not giving away crypto, just in case anybody had that delusion. Sun contract is just 1 day away from launching their platform. Nice. If you happen to be around Troha, go join the after party tonight. Kim.com is launching an ICO here pretty soon. Very interesting project. We don't have a lot of details about it yet, except that it will be a content monetization system. Really looking forward to see more details about that. Question for you guys as well. You can let me know down in the comment section. Are you enjoying the new news bit? What would you like to see more of in the news? What would you like to see less of in the news? Hit me back with some feedback in the comment section. It would be much appreciated. Before we get into today's giveaway, this is a fun story for you. There is a cryptocurrency wallet specifically targeted towards young children to be a family-friendly wallet. Piggy, they're calling it, using the Wollo token. The Wollo token is on the Stellar blockchain. I think this is a pretty cool idea and a good way to introduce young people to the idea of cryptocurrencies, but also to the idea of money, something which is going to be so fundamental to their lives, but you don't actually tend to learn much about until you're 16, 17, 18. Why not teach them when they're younger how to save, how to be responsible, how to take care of their funds, and of course, how to be their own bank, the Piggy Bank. And of course, we are giving away 222 Stellar today. Now, this is from a few weeks back from our crypto giveaway. We're going to be doing our random winner. Aha! Great. Rip that bong. Nice. Nice, that of course is in reference to David Hay when he was down in Colombia, ripping on that bong like a chief, man. Holy cow. And finally, we are going to be doing a Komodo giveaway this week. 20 Komodo will be up for grabs to celebrate the upcoming Block Nation decentralized ICO coming to Komodo. So if you want to be in to win 20 Komodo, pop your address in the comment section down below. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.